Today I'm going to show you how to make spaghetti ice cream. I'm from Germany, and in Germany it is very easy to find spaghetti ice cream everywhere. It is pretty popular, but still very challenging to find a vegan version. It is also perfect for a sweet Christmas treat. The most important and main ingredient for this recipe is coconut milk. Samoy's Coconut Milk is Thailand's first coconut milk factory and owned by a vegan family. Samoy coconut milk is available everywhere here in Thailand, and if you are not in Thailand, you might bump into this packaging, which is available outside of Thailand. What I love is that they pay close attention to remain the nutrients, and also the consistency is thick and creamy, which is perfect for this recipe. So let's get started. So much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and see you again soon.